On Prestige Wealth Investments. Okay, so what we're looking at here is the PDF document, and I will go through it for you guys and I'll explain wherever I can. And if you want the PDF document, if you want to view the PDF document at your own pace, you can just pop me a WhatsApp and then I will send you the PDF document, right? And then you can go through it at your own pace. Okay, so if we look at Prestige Wealth Investments, this is now this page 1 is the disclaimer. Prestige Wealth is a registered and licensed digital assets trading company in the UAE with an affiliate in South Africa. All trading activities are conducted in accordance with UAE and UK regulatory restrictions. Investors are encouraged to conduct their own due diligence. Remember, whenever I post videos or whenever I promote this company, Prestige Wealth Investments, I always ask you guys to please go and do your own research on the company. Go check everything out, and then once you're happy and comfortable, then you can come back and invest. Okay, let's look at the credibility. This is the regulatory part of the business. If we look at this page, it's going to give you all the license numbers. Remember, I told you that on the PDF document, it has the license, the trading license numbers, the FSP numbers and whatnot, and you guys can go and check those out. Go check it out for yourselves, and you will see that this is a proper company. It is a legit company. They do everything legally. Okay, so Prestige Wealth is fully authorized with a main trading license in Dubai, UAE, legally registered in 3 countries: Dubai, UAE, Dubai, South Africa, and the United Kingdom, that's UK. Okay, the licenses and authorizations, you can see the main trading license number is there, and the main trading takes place in Dubai. Okay, there's no trading that takes place here in South Africa or in the UK. The main office is in Dubai, and the trading takes place there. Like I said, a lot of the members went all the way to Dubai. They went to visit the office. They went to see the CEO face to face for themselves, to see that the company is real, that it's legit, and that the company is really trading. Because a lot of companies can say that they're trading, but where's the proof? So a lot of the members from here, the top leaders, and a lot of the members went themselves there. They shared a lot of videos. I even shared a lot of videos on my channels, on my socials, to show you proof that they went all the way there and spoke to the CEO, and he showed them the back end. He showed them the back end office where he took them right into the trading room, showing them everything that's going on. Okay, now when we look at the founder, this is the founder, Mr. K.M. Monareng. He has over a decade of experience in trading, and he's been trading even for financial institutions, prop firms, and managing large funds. So he has a lot of experience. He's not just an ordinary trader. He is internationally recognized skilled trader with 10 plus years of experience. So he's been doing this since 2014. Prestige Wealth Investments is now 6 months old, where the people started to invest into it. But he has been working on this company for a long time as well, over the last couple of years, to try and get the licensing in order, to try and get the registrations in order. He wanted everything to be done legally and proper before people can come in and invest. And now we are currently on a soft launch, guys. The company has not even launched as yet. There's already 100 million rands that's already invested into the company. And that's because people have done their research and they are happy with what they are seeing, and they trust this company. And so they are investing, and they're investing big amounts of money because the profits are quite high, and they've seen the transparency of the company. He is a multiple award winner. He's been featured on radio and TV platforms. He has extensive background in trading for forex brokerages, probe firms, and financial institutions managing large funds. He's an expert in the fourth industrial revolution, development of AI-powered trading robots. So he basically created his own trading robots, AI-powered trading robots, to be able to handle the trades or to be able to do the trading on our behalf. And then he doesn't just leave those AI robots, remember, to just do their own things. Like how you hear other companies speak about, it doesn't work like that. He has to still oversee the trades, even though he has those AI robots. Okay. Now, when we come here to smart revenue, we are talking about how Prestige Wealth generates their revenue. Okay. They are using, as we now know who the CEO is, and we know that it's an investment trading and investments company. We now know that when we bring our money into Prestige Wealth Investments, how do they now generate the revenue for us? So they trade our investments. They trade our investments into foreign currencies, which is forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, which is your gold, oil, etc., and digital assets. So that's how they bring in and generate revenue in order to pay us profits. Okay. Okay, so now this is how you can get involved into Prestige Wealth. This is how you can invest. These are the plans that they have. They have 3 plans. Okay. These plans that you buy is basically your investment that you come in with. You buy either a standard plan, a VIP 1 plan, or a VIP 2 plan, depending on how much you want to invest. Now, when you come in and you invest your money, your whatever plan that you buy on the system, it will give you a duration of 15 months. It will run for 15 months. And then in that 15 months, you will earn a monthly profit or a daily profit of 0.9%, or a weekly profit of 4.5%, or a monthly profit of 20%. Okay, so if you look at the payouts, on the standard plan, you can see the monthly payout is 20%. On the VIP 1 plan, on the VIP 1 plan, you get 22%, and on the VIP 2 plan, you get 24%. So you can see there is a difference between the percentages and the plans that you buy. Let me just bring it more up so that you can look at both those slides together. So if we look at the standard plan, the minimum amount to invest here into Prestige Wealth is $300, which is 6,000 rands. I think even the dollar rate has it's dropped now, so it's a little lower than 6,000 rands. But at the time of them creating the PDF, it was 6,000. It worked out to 6,000 rands. Okay, so now when you come in a standard plan and you invest 6,000 rand, you will get 1,200 a month. If you invest 10,000, you will get 2,000 rands a month, and so on. You can see if you invest 90,000, you get 18,000 rands a month. If you come in on the VIP 1 plan, if you invest 100,000 rands, you will get 22,000 a month. If you invest 200,000, you will get 44,000 a month, and so on. You will, if you go to the bottom, you will see 950,000 pays out 209,000 a month for 15 months. If you go to the VIP 2 plan, you can earn up to 24% a month for 15 months. Okay, so here if you invest 1 million, you will get 240,000 rands a month. If you invest 2 million, you will be getting paid 480,000 rands a month. So Prestige Wealth pays times 3. They work on a times 3 method, meaning if you invest 1 million, you will make 3 million. So when you invest 1 million, within that 15-month period, you will make 3 million. If you invest 100,000, within that 15-month period, you will make 300,000. If you invest 6,000, within that 15 months period, you will get 18,000. So it all depends on how much you are going to invest, and that will determine how much you will get monthly or how much it will pay out within that 15 months for you guys. Okay, so you can see there's it has very large packages as well on there for you, and you just need to find the package that's suitable to you, and then you grow your packages from there. You can buy multiple packages. You don't have to buy one package. You can buy multiple packages. You can start on 100,000 package, and a month later you can buy another 100,000, or you can start on a 6,000 rand package, and a month later you can buy a 10,000 rand package or 100,000 rand package. It's up to you basically, but you can buy as many packages as you want on your account, and you will get your profits every day, Monday to Friday. Weekends are holidays. On weekends we don't get profits, and we cannot do withdrawals on weekends. Okay, you can withdraw Monday to Friday. Okay, I also want to say here that the withdrawals, there's a withdrawal fee of $2.5, and that withdrawal fee is on any amount here. If you withdraw 6,000, you will pay $2.5. If you withdraw 100,000, you will pay $2.5. Whatever amount you withdraw from your account, you will still pay $2.5. Okay, that's not going to change. You can withdraw between Monday and Friday, and you can withdraw anytime between Monday and Friday. Okay, so now let's talk about VIP. There is a lot of VIP members in the business. There's already a lot of members that are earning a lot of money here on Prestige. I mean, if there is 100 million that's already invested into this company, you can imagine how many VIP members there are in this company, and how much of people actually trust Prestige Wealth Investments. Okay, so on the VIP 1 plan, if you look at VIP 1 plan, that is plans that are 100,000, anywhere from 100,000 right up to 950,000. Any one of those plans is a VIP 1 plan. Your earnings are up to 22% per month, and your investment range is anywhere between $5,000 to $49,000. That's just what I said now, 100,000 between 950,000. Okay, on your VIP 2 plan, there you will get 24% monthly. You earn up to 24% monthly, and then that investment range is between 1 million and 100 million. Okay. And then there are additional benefits for VIP members. Okay, number 1, exclusive invitation to a formal business launch in Durban. That's happening next year at the end of March. Okay, that launch is for all VIP members only. So if you're on a standard plan, you won't be able to go to that launch. But if you're on a VIP plan, it means that you are a VIP member and you can go to that launch, because there's extra benefits for you guys. Okay. There's also a fully sponsored comprehensive training on crypto and forex trading course, which will be offered to VIP members. Everybody that's on a VIP 1 plan or VIP 2 plan, they will get that training course. And there's a 10,000 Rand funeral cover for the member and identified beneficiary. So look at this, guys. There's so much of benefits here for VIP members. And you get to learn how to trade as well. Who doesn't want to learn how to trade? You get to learn how to trade. Besides that, you're collecting a good sum every month from your investment. And yeah, so just another note, when you purchase a plan on your account for VIP, to be a VIP member, you have to purchase a package that is 100,000 and above. It needs to be one package, not multiple packages of 6,000, 10,000, or you can't, they will not, you are not a VIP member if you buy 250,000 Rand packages. It doesn't work like that. The system needs you to buy 100,000 Rand package or over for you to be a VIP member. Okay. So You can stop right there. That's explaining the business, and that's explaining for investors only. So if you come in and you just want to invest, that's where you will stop. That's all the plans. That's the amounts. Those are the percentages. Okay. Now we're going to move on to referral and rewards. So PWI, which is Prestige Wealth Investments, they use an MLM system so that people can earn money. The community can earn money. You come in, you're unemployed. You come in, or you want, to earn an extra money, extra money on the side and whatnot. So here is where we earn extra. This is where we share the business further, and we earn commissions. So if you are not interested in recruiting, you're not interested in referring, remember, this is a referral program for those that want to do it. If you are not interested in this, then then just ignore it. All you need to worry about is the first part of it, where you come in as an investor. You are not forced to recruit. You are not forced to refer the business. You're not forced here. Here, this is for people who are interested in making extra, who is interested in getting their investments back quicker. Okay, so from the referral program, you earn in many ways. You earn direct bonuses. You get a 10% one-time bonus per referral. That amount comes through from your investment that's on the system. Okay, it works very different to a lot of other companies. They are not taking money from person A and paying person B. This is not how it works. They are not taking money from someone else to give you commissions. It's not how it works. So you are getting that 10% from your own investment. Every affiliate that comes into Prestige as well is also an investor. They have bought a package. They are an investor. They're collecting their profits every day. And then they decided that they're going to share the business further. And when they share the business further, each person that they get to join Prestige and invest, then they will get 10%. It's a one-time bonus. That 10% will get paid out from their investment. So if you have a 6,000 Rand investment there, your 10% is going to come from that investment. It's just going to pay out quicker. So meaning, instead of you waiting 15 months to get your complete payout on your investment, you can literally get paid out your entire investment in total within a month or within a week. Some people have done it in a week. It can be within a month. It can be within a few months. It all depends on you and how much you share the business and the people that you get to come in and invest as well. Okay, then there's uni-level bonuses. Earn across 10 levels deep. Okay, between 20% and 0.75%. So if you look at the next page, you can see that they have from level 1 all the way to level 10. That means that when you bring a client in and they invest, and that client registered on your link and they invested, that is your level 1. That is your direct client. That means you will receive a 10% one-time bonus for that client. Then you will also receive every day that client, as soon as that client starts getting their profits, you will receive 20% every day for as long as that client is in the system. For as long as that client has an active investment, you will receive 20% every day. Now, if that client goes ahead and shares the business and gets somebody else signs on their link and they get an investor, then that investor becomes your level 2, and then you will get paid 17.5% every day on that level 2 client. And then it's so on and so on, level 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. It goes right down to level 10, where you will get 0.75%. So can you even imagine the earning potential here? It's like unlimited. Because you're going to get paid right up until level 10. And when you go up ranks and things like that, you even end up getting to a point of unlimited levels where you can just earn and earn and earn every single day. Okay, Then there's community rewards, earn 2.5% to 30% depending on your rank. And then there's leadership bonuses. Top 10 leaders share 10% of the company turnover. Okay, then there are rank ladder requirements. Okay, I won't go through every single one of these packages, otherwise this video will be too long. I will just go through the first one or two just so that you can get an idea. Okay, so the first rank is Pulse rank. In order for you to reach and achieve that rank, you need to be on a $1,000 package. So all your packages that you buy will, even if it's multiple packages, as long as it accumulates to $1,000, you will get a tick there. Then your team volume, all the people that you recruited under you, all the people that came in under you, it can be all your levels that you have under you, including your sales. You need to have a total of $25,000. Okay. Then your rewards will be 2.5% daily of the entire team's volume. That is, you're going to get 2.5% daily. And you will also get a $200 once off. Now, you must remember on this first package, on this first rank Pulse, you can earn anywhere from like 10,000 right up to 50,000 a month, every month, just achieving this rank. Okay. Then they have the Nexus rank, which is the second rank. You need to be on a $2,000 package. You need to have team volume sales of $50,000. You need to have at least 2 Pulse leaders within your team under you. And then you will get 5% daily, and you will also get a $350 once-off bonus there. And then the ranks continue. There's Elevate, there's Sphere, there's Catalyst, there's Thrive, and there's Horizon. Okay, and these are all achievable ranks. It all depends on how well you work, how good you are at recruiting, at referring, how much noise you go and make out there, and that will depend on how much money you want to make. Okay, because if you go in there and you bring in, even if you bring in 10 people, just 10, that's that 10 people, remember, most of them are going to go and share the business further. And that's just going to grow your levels deep. You're going to find, like, as the months go, you're going to start earning more and more and more because your whole team is just growing and growing and growing. Okay, but if you want to go up the levels faster, then you will continue to share and you will be consistent every day on sharing the business and achieving your goals of the different ranks. Okay, and that's it, guys. That's the entire presentation. And here where it says how to start, all you have to do is, once you are ready, you've gone through the different plans, you now know which plan you want to be on, which plan you want to purchase. Then you will contact, you will send me a WhatsApp, or you will contact the person that referred you to the business. You will send me a WhatsApp. Like in this case, I'm the one that's doing this presentation, and then you can send me a WhatsApp. Okay, and then I will send you a link to register, and I will show you how to fund your account basically. Yes, we do need a crypto wallet. I will show you how to set up your crypto wallet. I have the steps for that. I will show you step by step how to be able to purchase your plan. Now, also remember, we do not pay anyone money at Prestige Wealth. We don't go paying any affiliates monies. You will not put any money into my bank account or anything like that. I am just here to show you how to purchase your package on your own. I'm just going to guide you on the entire process. Okay, but basically that's how it is. As soon as you buy your package, from the next day you will start earning profits, and you will earn those profits between Monday to Friday every day for 15 months. Okay, and then I wanted to quickly just go into my account to show those how the back office works, how the company, how everything is, and what it all looks like. Okay, so excuse me. So this is the PWI platform. Please make sure that when you do your research, that you are researching the correct company, because there are different companies out there, and you don't want to be confused, and you don't want to be researching the wrong company as well. So this is PWI, that's the logo, and the company is called Prestige Wealth Investments. You can go through the site and you can read through everything, and then when you click menu and you log in, you can see here it has all the information for you to go through the site as well. Okay, so this is my account. I invested $300. I think it was during last month I invested $300, and this is what it will show. It will show my investment amount, and it says I've successfully deposited that $300, you can see, and my successful withdrawal so far is $448. And yeah, that's about it on that first page. And then on the menu, you will see that in my profit wallet, I have $75, which is ready for me to withdraw. I did share a few screenshots. That's ready for me to withdraw. I can withdraw it now, or I can leave it to accumulate. But guys, remember, I've already withdrawn over like about, I think, 8,000 and over already. So I'm not going to withdraw and chow these monies up now. This is my last amount that I'm getting out of my package. So I want to accumulate it to another $300 so I can buy another package. Okay. And then I will start to compound on that second package. All right. So if I go to investments, you will see this is my investment. I invested $300. You can see my earnings progress, the green bar that you can see, it's gone over halfway. You can see how much it's paid out, and you can see it in total. That $300 is going to pay out $900. Okay. You can see my start date was 14th of October. And it will show the next return date is the 14th, which is tomorrow. So it pays profits every day. Okay, and that's basically how the account is. Withdraw, if I go to withdraw, you'll be able to see my withdrawal history. I have withdrawn a whole bunch of times, all successful withdrawals. The withdrawals do take up to a day to reflect and things like that. And that's my referrals. If I go to transactions, okay, here under transactions, you can see that I get profits coming in. Remember, we spoke about those referral bonuses that you get, the referral profits, that 20% that you get from each time that your client gets, each time that your investors get their profits, you get a commission here. So you can see I get multiple different commissions from different clients, and down here the 2.70 US dollars is actually my profits from my 6,000 Rand investment. That's what I'm supposed to get, 1,200 Rand a month it works out to. But because I have clients who have come in and invested using my link, I now get, I think it's around 4,000 Rand or so a month, if I calculate it. But every day, the profits come in every day. Every day there is profits and commissions that come in, and it just accumulates and accumulates every day. But this is basically the account. I just wanted to show you how everything looks, and that, yeah, this is a legit company. And if you want to join Prestige Wealth, just pop me a message, and then I will send you all the information and we can get you started.